from WTEN. This is News 10 at 5:30 on the news station.
It could be a throwback to the 80s TV show Knight Rider, but this new talking car is making the streets safer for cops out on the job. A Capital Region Police Department, one of only a handful in the state to have this technology aimed at improving officer safety, and there's a good reason why. In 2007, a record 60 officers died in auto crashes across the country. In fact, that was the 10th straight year that more died in auto accidents than in shootings. Also, a recent study shows cutting down on driving distractions can actually help save lives. News 10's Mark O'Brien shows us how this new car works.
From the outside, this looks like a typical police cruiser.
If we turn it all the way down from the screen here.
But inside is the latest technology designed to keep officers safe.
When you're responding to calls, you're monitoring the radios, you're trying to watch traffic, you're going through intersections against a solid red light.
Coeymans Chief Gregory Darlington says it can add up to unsafe conditions. So his department became the first in the Capital Region to install a new system by a company called 5 Forward. With the press of a button,
lights off. Lights off.
Just about everything in the car becomes voice activated, from the computer to the lights and sirens. It can even talk back to the officer.
1001, ascending. Fire or explosion, extremely flammable.
It is a lot more safe to be able to just keep your eyes forward, push a button, and tell it to change whatever you need to be changing.
One of the other big advantages, less clutter in the center console, with the technology actually stored in the trunk that lets the radio and other equipment be moved out of the way, giving the officer more room to move around.
That's especially handy during certain emergencies.
Making the vehicle much safer for them in the event of a collision and enabling them to get cover across the passenger seat in the event they're involved in a situation involving gunfire.
But the system itself has every officer excited, and as the department trains,
Would it indicate here, or would this still be going off like that?
Chief Darlington says it's possible more cars will be outfitted with the high-tech kit in the future. In Coeymans, Mark O'Brien, News 10.